just a chase. You don't slow down, you just feed the flames. One more turn till the fear is gone. You live where all the warning signs are drawn. Start to scream.